Hey buddy! If you want these quirky info videos to pop up in your eyes like a circus show, then subscribe to our channel and give that bell icon a solid whack.
I suddenly had swelling in my right testicle. It caused a lot of pain. The left one is fine. Currently, I am staying away from sex. The doctor gave medicines. The pain has reduced. Will this swelling in the testicle cause my sex ability to end? Will it die? Will I be able to participate in sex like before or not? These thoughts are tormenting me. You have to save me.
The problem you described is very common and happens to many men at some point. Sudden swelling and severe pain in one testicle is usually epididymitis, which is inflammation of the epididymis, the coiled tube behind the testicle that stores sperm. It can be caused by bacterial infection, urinary tract issues, or other reasons. You have already taken medicines from the doctor and the pain has reduced, which is a good sign. Your main worry now is whether this will affect your sexual ability permanently. This swelling does not make sex ability disappear completely or cause the testicle to die. In most cases, it is temporary. If you take the medicines properly, rest, and keep the scrotum elevated, using a supporter is helpful, it returns to normal quickly. After the pain subsides, it is better to avoid sex for a few days or weeks because it may still be sensitive. But once fully recovered, you can participate in sex just like before. There is no permanent impact on erection, libido, or sperm production in the majority of cases. Rarely, if it becomes chronic or treatment is delayed, there could be issues, but since you are already on treatment, the chance is very low. This will not ruin your sexual life or make you unfit for marriage. The fear is mostly psychological because the testicles are sensitive and the pain is intense, so anxiety is natural. But medically, this is an easily treatable condition. Complete the full course of medicines, follow up with the doctor as advised. If needed, get an ultrasound or other tests. Be courageous, you will become completely normal again. Since these thoughts are troubling you, talk to a good doctor to gain more reassurance. You are not alone. Many people experience this and recover easily.